Hello everyone. Now we all have photos that have faded and worn with age. So today I'm going to show you an app that I use called TouchRetouch Object Removal App on Mac. TouchRetouch makes restoring my photos a really easy process. It's packed with essential tools, so even if you're a novice to photo editing, achieving results is just a few clicks away. So let's have a look. Before I start, I'm going to show you some befores and afters of some of my photos that I've done to show you that it can be done, and also let you know that this video is not sponsored, nor am I an expert at photo restoration, but it's a passion of mine that I enjoy. I use this app because it's far cheaper than the others, and I find it easier to use, and it has most of the same features. Okay, the first thing we need to do is open the app. So we go to our apps and we find the TouchRetouch and we open. And this is what it looks like. Now we just need to get the photo. There are 4 ways to do it. First, you go up to File up the top and go Open. And you get the photo for where you've got it. Next is Open here. Go to where you got the photo. Down here, choose File. Go to where you got the photo. Or you drag a photo in. So you just go to where you got the photo and drag it in. We'll go choose photo and then go open. I'll show you all the tools that we have. Now this little slider up the top makes the picture bigger or smaller. When you do the removal of spots, it's best to have it really big so you can see it. So at the moment we'll put it back to there. Next is Object Removal Tool, which is just here. So click on that. It gives you brush or lasso. So we'll click on brush, and this little slider here makes it smaller or bigger. So we'll go like this. Say we'll remove this here. Go like this. And then we go up the top and go. And it removes it. So we'll put that back. Next tool is Quick Repair. We'll click on that. And there's another slider. Make it big or small. And that just gets rid of spots. So it's really good. The next tool we have is line removal. So we'll click on this and it gives you line remover or segment remover. The line remover is for longer portions and the segment removers for littler portions. And over here is line thickness, thin, medium and large. We'll go thin. I like using the segment remover because you control the length of the spot you want to remove. We'll make the picture a little bit bigger, and there's one down here. You just do that. When you get closer to the person, you have to be careful you don't distort the face or anywhere like that. That's why I like to use the segment remover. Okay, now we're going to do clone stamp. So we'll click on clone stamp. Over here it says side to side, vertical, horizontal, diagonal. Then we've got brush, and then we can use this little slider for the size of the brush, the hardness of the brush, or the opacity of the brush. Well, we'll do a little demonstration. Right click where you want copied, so you get that little plus sign, and then when you go where you want to copy, you right click and hold down, and it just, without letting go, you just go down. So you've got to be careful where you put that little cross, because you get exactly the same. So we'll go off, we'll go undo, and you can change the size. So if you're doing very delicate spots, you can do that just like that. Next we have tone and color, so we'll click on that. We've got white balance, which is temperature and tint. Then we have the tone, which is exposure, contrast, highlights and shadows. Then we have the color, which has vibrance, saturation and clarity. Next we have the crop. You can swap it, flip it, rotate it, or use this one, or you can use this ratio. You can turn it into landscape, or you can choose a size. You can go like this, and then you press the crop button and it'll crop it to the size you want. The next is compare. So if you click on this, it takes you back to the original. It shows you original. That's good to see how you're going in the photo. We haven't really done anything, so you can't see. You see a little bit. Then there's the undo, which we saw already, and then there's the redo. If you undo something, you can redo it. Then it shows you the history of all what you've done, and then there's the export. Just move it across a bit. You can airdrop it, you can message someone, you can put it in your reminders, your notes, or you can mail it to someone. Then we have the little buttons, or the tabs up the top. You've got file, you can open, you get a new photo, open recent, you save as, you can close it or print. In the edit, you've still got the undo and redo, revert to original. Under the tools, you've got the same tools, but it also gives you the shortcuts for those. So that's command 1 for object removal, quick repairs command 2, line removals command 3, clone stamp command 4, tone and color is command 5, and crop is command 6. View is zoom in and zoom out, zoom to fit actual size and full screen, and then the windows, minimize zoom, and then it gives you the help. Start on the photo. First thing I'll do is make it a bit bigger, and I'll do the colors. Now if you're happy with it, you go up to export and you can go save as, and then you name it, put quality high, the format you want, so I want JPEG, and then I just go save. And there you go. So what do you think? Would you like me to do some more photo restoration videos? Just leave a comment below. Just be careful when you're doing a photo not to change the photo too much from the original, and keep checking the photo to see you haven't distorted it in any way. Just leave a comment below and tell me what you think. And for more helpful tips, feel free to watch the linked videos or explore details provided in the description below. Until next time, happy researching and goodbye.